Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so glad you're here and I'm happy that I'm gonna review today the new Tarte Rainforest of the Sea High Tides and Goodbye eyeshadow palette. I actually purchased this palette from the Tarte website and I'm very excited to bring to you a little bit of my thoughts, one eyeshadow look, and again, just some thoughts and reviews about the palette. Before we get started with the video, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to ring that little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload new videos. And let's start. This palette came out about a week ago. I'm recording this video March 20th. Actually, I recorded this same video when it arrived, the palette. I think I did expedite shipping because I wanted to have it on my hands right away. Going straight into the palette, the package is just so beautiful. One of the most beautiful packages that I have seen. It has these, it's heavyweight, it's really heavyweight. I don't think I will feel really safe to travel with this palette because of the weight. Also because it has on the outer corner inside, in between, it has some water or some liquid to create this look like you're in the, like the palette is in the ocean with the little turtle, the seaweeds. I think it's just a very, very pretty palette. This is a limited edition palette. It comes with a very big mirror. It's a nice big mirror. And then inside, like I said, I already had digging into this palette. You will find a total of 12 shades. 4 of them are mattes, are these ones right here. This light blue, this one right here that is a pinkish color, this kind of neutral color right here, and this one it looks kind of brown but it has a hint of pink in it. And then it has 4 shimmer shades, which is this brown, this kind of champagne color, this blue, and this darker blue. This is more like a navy blue, and this one it has a little bit more pop. And then the 4 different glitters. Now these glitters, I don't feel they have a base. When I have swatched them before, they seem a little bit thick and chunky and you will get a lot of fallout. So my suggestion will be, when you do these, your eye look, do it before you apply your foundation on everything else. Let me just go to the Tarte website. By the way, this eyeshadow palette is now also available at Sephora. The cost of it is $39. And again, it's a limited edition. And then on the Tarte website, you will find some eye looks that you can maybe, like replicate from there. So that's really good. I like when brands, they actually give you some ideas on different eye looks that you can create. Start swatching these eyeshadows for you. There you go. Those are the swatches right there. Alrighty then, so now that we have swatched the eyeshadows and the glitters, let's go ahead and get started. So I have just put my concealer on. I have set up with some powder and I'm just gonna go straight into the look. I'm gonna go to that shade Surf's Up. It picks up a lot, but it has a lot of fallout. I'm just gonna use it as a transition shade because it will, as you blend it in, it will just keep fading off. I mean, let's be honest, blue shadows, they tend to be hard to work with because they're just harder to formulate. So nothing to complain about the brand. It is just the pigment of a blue shadow that it's just harder to formulate. So I'm just applying it pretty much, not all over the lid, but from my crease, above my crease, and then around from one side to the other with just some wiper motion right here. Up next, I'm gonna be using this deep blue shimmer shade. I mean, is it a, yeah, it's a shimmer shade. Sorry, I have to give it a thought for a moment. Now I'm gonna apply it with a flat brush and I'm gonna use a ColourPop E3. and I'm just packing it right there. I think I'm gonna try to use it dry and see how it goes. But you may get a better payoff on this one with a wet application. Now I'm gonna go with this and I'm gonna grab a little bit of the shade Dive In. It's another blue, a little bit deeper blue, and it's also a shimmer shade. I'm just gonna grab a little and just kind of deepen up my my outer corner with that shade. I'm gonna grab the color Aloha, Aloha right here, this color right here. It's a little darker. Right next, I'm gonna go ahead and I know that these shadows, they don't have a base. I'm gonna use this glitter primer by NYX. I'm gonna use it, it's the Base Perfecting Brilliance. I'm just gonna use a little bit on, oh my god, it was more than a little. And I'm just gonna place it right in the middle. Okay, so with one finger, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this color Aquaholic. That is the blue glitter, and I'm just gonna place it right there in the middle. So I'm just gonna take it a little bit over. Now my finger still has some residue of the glue. That's good. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this silver color called Turtle. And just I'm gonna put it right in the middle. And I'm just gonna try to pack it. I'm gonna grab this Cosfan pencil brush. I got this one at Amazon on a set long time ago. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use the shade Aloha. See this right here? Tap off the excess and pray that it goes well. I'm gonna go ahead and use the same brush. Now I actually have another brush by Alamari Cosmetics that is also a pencil brush. I'm gonna grab the shade Surf's Up, which is the lightest blue shade right here, and I'm just gonna try to connect this bottom part with the top. And then for my inner corner, I'm just gonna go to this shimmer shade Buried Gold. And I'm just gonna put it in the inner corner, down here a little. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my falsies. I'm gonna use the boudoir like usual. I think this has been the only ones that you have seen me using in this channel so far. And I'm gonna use these, I couldn't find my favorite one. You know, another thing that I feel like I need to really dive into more is to get a really good eyeshadow, eyelash glue. I don't know, the eyelash glues that I use is the Duo one. I'm using this one that is the dark tone. But I would like a clear one. I was using the Duo one in clear, but I don't know, it just after a little while that I use the lashes, all of a sudden they start like coming off, and who wants that? You know, I think I had a video one of my lashes was coming off. I think it was the Boxy Charm unboxing, the Boxy Looks. It was so funny, and my daughter was like, "Mom, you're losing a lash." I know. So for my waterline, I'm gonna go ahead and you know, brighten it up a little. I don't want it to close anymore my eyes. So I'm gonna use these 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Gold Mine. If you see my fingers, you will see all these glitter all over. It's just something else. But well, when you want to use glitter, I guess you know what you're going for. I'm done with my eye look. Let me just do my lips. So I'm gonna just line my lips, and this is the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in BFF. So I'm gonna go with my lips. I'm going with these Dose of Colors, My Main, and it's actually from the collaboration with Desi Perkins and Katie. Alright, so this is the finished eye look. I hope you like it. Give me your thoughts. Going back to the palette, I like the palette. It's really beautiful. I mean, let's give it that for sure. I will say I will most likely be using the neutral colors on this side. I like the blues, so I think I can create another blue look that is a little bit more subtle, more wearable for my lifestyle. The glitters though, although the glitters are stunning, beautiful, I think it would have been best again if they were more finely milled, and if they had maybe a little bit of like an actually adhesive on it, or like a base that they will stay there, because I literally have the glitter all over me. I know I swatch this product, so that could be, you know, part of why they're not flying in the pan, because it seems like it has a like a Vaseline type of base or some type of base, but it's not a sticky base. So that's my only con. Other than that, I mean, like if I go like this, they don't fall out. You know, they're not gonna fall out. I hope you like this video. If you did so, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my channel. I have a lot of new videos, great videos about reviews, unboxing and whatnot. Don't forget to ring that notification bell, and you will get to know when I upload new videos. Until the next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Bye, Mia. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome. And if you're new here, sorry if you hear the tractor back there.